Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
If the soul is breathed into the fetus after 4 months, then why is it that abortion before 4 months is considered as killing?
Sister has the question that if the soul is breathed into the fetus at 4 months, then why is killing before 4 months counted as haram? Sister, once you realize that taking life is prohibited. For example, we know that there are many of the living creatures who don't have soul. According to the hadith, the soul is not there of many living creatures. But if you kill that living creature, that doesn't mean it's allowed. You can't even kill a sparrow without any reason, the beloved Prophet ﷺ said. Killing any living creature is haram, whether it had soul or not. If killing a creature with a soul carries a bigger sin, that's a different question altogether. So we have to realize that killing living creature per se is haram, sister, in Islam. So you can't say that just because the animal has got no soul, I can kill an animal. If you have a reason which is permitted in Islam, fine. So that is the reason even in Islam, once it has formed a zygote, the sperm and the ovum have joined to form a zygote, then destroying that life becomes haram in Islam. Hope that answers the question, sister. Yes, brother.